Breaking news, the US military has just shot down an Arabian drone in the Arabian Sea. The drone was destroyed after it got too close to a Navy ship. I am Demut Mutiara, and here is the full news. U.S. Central Command confirmed that a U.S. Navy fighter that shot down an Arabian drone approached the aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln. In a statement on Tuesday, officials said the drone aggressively approached the ship with unclear intent and continued to fly towards the carrier even after U.S. forces tried to stop it in international waters. Reporting from Tehran, correspondent Raja Sahya provided an important clarification.
Well, first off, an important clarification. According to reports, this was a surveillance drone. It was not an attack drone, and I think that's a very important distinction that we need to clarify. Both Reuters and Associated Press news agencies are citing U.S. military sources, U.S. CENTCOM, and reporting that earlier on Tuesday, the U.S. Navy shot down this surveillance drone that was approaching, getting a little too close to the U.S. aircraft carrier, the USS Abraham Lincoln in the Arabian Sea. According to the U.S. Central Command, this drone was approaching. The U.S. Navy took measures to de-escalate. The reports say they did not heed, this drone did not heed the de-escalation measures, and that's when the U.S. Navy sent up an F-35 fighter jet to shoot it down. The incident, according to reports, taking place in the Arabian Sea, where the U.S. Navy has built up its fleet about 800 kilometers off the southern coast of Iran. Neither the Iranian military, government officials, nor state media have commented on this incident. In another development, the Associated Press also reporting that after that drone was shot down, a couple of Revolutionary Guard speedboats harassed a U.S. flagged oil tanker. Iranian state media with a different story regarding that incident. They say a ship entered Iranian waters. It was given a warning to leave, and it did. So you have an unmanned drone being shot by the U.S. Navy, nobody hurt, conflicting reports about this ship, all of this against the backdrop of rising tension and talks being discussed, the format for talks that should be taking place in the coming days.
Where's the CFNF?
The military noted that no American troops were hurt and no equipment was damaged. However, later, Iran Revolutionary Guard harassed another ship, the Stena Imperative. According to the military, two boats and a drone approached the ship at high speed and threatened to seize the tanker. The U.S. is now on high alert. We will bring you more updates as they happen. From the newsroom, I am Demut Mutiara. Thank you for watching and see you next time.